Welcome to the second part of position of adverbs. Please see the board. Rule number 363 in Renan Martin. It says we can give the adverbs before do, be and has verbs to give the stress to the sentence. When we want to give to the stress to the verb or sentence, we have to add the adverb before these three kinds of verbs. He always does come late. If we use this, he always does come late, it is giving some kind of stress to the sentence. He usually is late in the evening. See, it is be form verb is. He already has come in time. Again, this is the has. So anytime, whenever we make a sentence which we have to give stress upon the action, we have to use the adverb before these three types of verbs. And sometimes in a very short form, I sometimes do. That is a reply of, do you often do something? Yes, I sometimes do. Here also you see the do verb. Then is the rule number 364. Adverb will be followed by have to or has to, modal auxiliary, have to, has to or used to, modal auxiliaries. John often have to go to college on foot. Here you see often the adverb has come before have to, the modal auxiliary have to, then is the main verb. He rarely used to agree with me. Here used to. So these modals always take the adverb before. Rule number 365. Adverb will follow the other adverb or other adjective to modify. So whenever we modify one adverb with another adverb or adjective, the first adverb will be before. They are rather lazy people. Here you see the lazy, it is an adjective. So they are rather lazy. Here rather is the adverb. This story is quite easily understood. Here you see easily is another adverb and understood is the adjective. So quite is the adverb. This adverb modifies another adverb. Adverbs adverb. So this is the adjectives adverb. He speaks Hindi very well. Here you see well is there. So again it is a double adverb. So very is coming here. Except rule number 366, it says enough. Suppose we say he speaks Hindi enough. There we have to add enough after the noun or after the verb. John is rich enough. See here the adjective rich is there. We cannot say John is enough rich. We have to use the enough at the end of the sentence or after the adjective or verb, whatever it follows. He earns well enough. Here you see he earns well enough. Here again adverb is there well and then enough is following that. So enough is an exception from rule number 365. So it is given rule 366. Next rule number 367. Only will be always before a verb or adjective. This only is such a kind of adverb. It will not follow the verb or adjective. He has only slept 3 hours. I only wanted to talk with you. It was only good for our income. So if you see this, here you see slept for 3 hours. Here the verb is there. So only will be before the adverb. And only wanted, here wanted is the verb. Only is before. Verb is following. And good is an adjective here. Only good. We can't use slept only, wanted only, good only. Even in spoken English it is considered a mistake. So these are the last 5 of the position of adverbs. Hope you understood my explanation. If you have any questions, you can call me. My phone number is given after this video. And I run a spoken English class. My name is Amitabh Das. Thank you for listening to me.